Welcome to a Sophie and Toffee. There we go. Unboxing. This one is one of their Disney crates, and the Disney ones are always kind of hit and miss for when they're gonna come, because sometimes they'll announce a theme and it might not come, or they might flip-flop the order. So we've been waiting for Tangled. We've been waiting to see when it would come, what would come in it. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. I recently got a bunch of licensed merch from them because they are having a licensed merch sale. I got some of the cutest little female cuttings of Pascal because I love Pascal, and I'm excited. So on the top here we have our little booklet, and oh my stars, our exclusive mold. It's going to be a little tricky to see. Let's see if this will help us any. I don't know. So I do have some art drawings, a bit of our mold here. It is a painter's palette, and I'm going to see exactly how we'll do this. The wells are tiny. They're teensy tiny. But I kind of want to play more about making my own paint soon. And I've only really dabbled in this, but I think it would be really lovely to make my own paint and my own palettes, because that's another one I've really only dabbled in, and kind of offer that out. And if nothing else, I don't know, I love the idea of it. So you really have a ton of teeny tiny wells, not at all what the first designs of it had looked like. It had looked like it was going to be more like those traditional palettes where you get, you know, 4 to 6 wells to play with. You get so many colors here. These are really quite deep too, with our beautiful sunburst design. That is stunning. We have a mirror here, which tells us that we have another compact. So this is a our enchanted flower, our flower that heals the queen, and of course gave Rapunzel her power. There's the other side. Beautiful. Is a mirrored compact. So stunning. Oh my goodness, I love that. So we've got just one little mirror to pop in here. I think that's going to be lovely. And we have some mica powder pigments, a beautiful rich purple, a shining gold, and a really lustrous orange. The same ones that are pictured in our booklet. We have epoxy resin. It's a 2-part resin, and this is a 3-to-1 ratio. These are a 3-to-1 ratio, so you notice that there's quite a bit of a difference here. So they are best for those deeper like deeper pores, bigger proportions, things like that. I do feel like they have a little bit of tint to them already, but I did actually just get some purple tint, which is good for resisting yellowing. But it says superb transparency, low fumes, little bubbles. So we'll give it a go. This is 60 grams. This is 180 grams. So we've got a total of 100 grams going on. Right? Am I good at math? Wait. Yeah. I don't know. It's different than was pictured in the book, because we were shown in our initial that we were getting 100 grams of 1-to-1. So no, we've got 240 grams. My brain cannot do that kind of math right now. We are not up to snuff just yet. So we did still get 25 grams of LED resin, UV resin. You can use sunlight still, but it is the UV LED resin, so it works really nice, and it is the UV LED. We've got some open bezel charms. These ones are really quite lovely. You can use them as keychains. They have their licensed Disney tags on them. So we have her tower, lantern, blooming flower, the palette paintbrush mold, and Pascal. These are really fun if you want to mix a bit of dye and paint or mica with UV resin and fill them. You can use them just as is. You can embed them. They're really fun that way. And we've got some fun glitters, and they are more of a pastel sort of sheen. So a turquoisey blue-green, a pastel shell pink, and a pretty white. They're all really lovely iridescent with a bit of white in each one. And we've got transparent sticker foil. I wonder if they're going to look more transparent once we pull them. I've never quite seen this art. They're kind of rocking out, but that's really quite fun. And that's everything in our box. That's really quite fun. So a little different than a lot of the initial art showed, but I was very much looking forward to this one, so I'm happy it's here and it made it safely. I'm really excited to try it and to see exactly how the paint palette works, because these look absolutely tiny, like so tiny, and I was really hoping that that would be a good choice for my paints, but I'm not sure. So this is our little booklet, and it's got some community craft projects. I love when they share what the community has done, our community wins, and they will go through and they do show oh, come on, brain. Some instructions. Now, they have some instructions for what I'm assuming was a previous design for some of the molds, which, as you've noticed, are not the way that the molds turned out. So do keep that in mind, that things change in production, but this is not how they turned out. So, yep. Anyway, I love you all so very much. Bye-bye.